You walk into a pharmacy in Paris with a headache, you don't speak much French, and there's a line behind you. What do you say? In this video, you'll learn simple French phrases you can use right away to explain what's wrong, understand the pharmacist, and leave with exactly what you need. Let's start. So first, to say where it hurts, you can use this simple structure. J'ai mal à. I have a pain in. For example, j'ai mal à la gorge. I have a sore throat. By the way, if you struggle with reading French, don't worry. Look at the line below and read it like English. You will get very close to the right sound. Now, say it with me at the same time, trying to match my pronunciation, speed, and tone. So listen once, memorize the flow, and then we will repeat it together. J'ai mal à la gorge. And now together, j'ai mal à la gorge. One more time, at exactly the same pace. J'ai mal à la gorge. Good. You can also say, j'ai mal à la tête. I have a headache. And quick note here, the H in my phonetic spelling, like in la tête, is only to guide pronunciation. Do not pronounce it like the English H, it's silent in French. Also, j'ai mal au ventre. I have a stomachache. Below in the transcription, the AH I use stands for a nasal sound. It's actually en. En. You might not notice the difference with a at first, because English doesn't have this sound, so it's a bit tricky to pronounce. But saying a gets you close enough. I will repeat it a few times so you can hear the real sound. En. En. Ventre. So this phrase is super useful. You can use it with almost any part of the body. And another very handy expression, je suis malade. Je suis malade. I'm sick. In a pharmacy, it's usually better to be more specific, but it's still a useful phrase to know. And last but not least, don't skip this when you start talking with the pharmacist. Bonjour. Hello. In France, this is essential. Not saying bonjour can come across as impolite, so use it before you even ask anything. Always start with it. And quick question by the way, have you ever walked into a French shop, skipped the bonjour, and instantly felt the chill? Drop bonjour in the comments if you've learned this lesson. So after you explain your symptom, the pharmacist will usually ask a couple of questions. This can feel difficult, but knowing the kind of questions helps a lot. Even catching a single word can tell you what it's about. Here are two very common ones. Depuis combien de temps? How long have you had it? To answer, just use depuis, which is since or for, and when it started. For example, depuis hier, since yesterday. Depuis mardi, since Tuesday. Depuis 2 jours, for 2 days. Depuis une semaine, for a week. The pharmacist will also ask, vous avez de la fièvre? Vous avez de la fièvre? Do you have fever? We usually reply, oui un peu, yes a little. Or, oui beaucoup, yes a lot. And if not, no. And here as well, the OH in the transcription below represents another nasal sound, which is on, which doesn't exist in English either. So the correct pronunciation is on. This sound is very similar to the one in the word song. So if we remove the first s and the final g, we get almost the same nasal vowel, on. So if you don't catch everything the first time, it's completely normal. Don't panic and just say, je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. This is a very important phrase. So say it with me at the same time, trying to match my pronunciation. Listen to it once. Je ne comprends pas. Now together. Je ne comprends pas. One more time at the same pace. Je ne comprends pas. Good. This phrase is really useful in many situations. People will usually slow down and repeat more clearly when you use it. The pharmacist will also ask, Vous prenez des médicaments? Or, Vous prenez quelque chose? Are you taking any medication? Are you taking anything? So this one is easy. You already know it now. Oui, yes. Non, no. Now let's see how you can ask for a medication. If you want something specific, you can say Je voudrais quelque chose pour. I would like something for, and then specify which part of the body. La gorge, la tête, le ventre, etc. This phrase is slightly longer, so let's practice one example quickly. Listen once, then say it with me. Je voudrais quelque chose pour le ventre. Now together. Je voudrais quelque chose pour le ventre. One more time at the same pace. Je voudrais quelque chose pour le ventre. Great. Of course, don't forget to say s'il vous plaît when you ask for something. And if you want to know if the medicine you want is without prescription, ask c'est sans ordonnance? C'est sans ordonnance? Is it available without a prescription? Okay, pharmacy is done. Next up, the bakery. Want to order a warm, flaky croissant? Put in the comment boulangerie if you're in, and I'll show you exactly how to order like a local. And if you don't want to rely on memory for those moments at the pharmacy, because you probably won't, I made something simple. A phone-friendly French survival card. With the exact phrases in question you just saw. So when it happens, you just open your phone, look once, and respond. And that's it. Simple, clear, ready to use. Download it below and save it before your trip. You will need it.